Hi everyone, welcome to Auden Academy. Today we are going to understand one of the most emotional poems in English literature, Stop All the Clocks by W.H. Auden. This poem is about deep love and painful loss. The poet is mourning the death of someone who was the center of his entire life. Title meaning: when the poet says stop all the clocks, he does not mean real clocks. He means time should stop. Life should pause. The world should not move forward because, for him, life has lost its meaning. First stanza, silence and funeral atmosphere. The poet gives strange commands. Stop the clocks. Cut off the telephone. Silence the piano. Bring the coffin. Why? Because he wants complete silence. It shows the shock and seriousness of death. Second stanza, public mourning. Now, he wants the whole world to know. Aeroplanes should ride in the sky. He is dead. Doves should wear black ribbons. Traffic policemen should wear black gloves. This means his loss is so great that it feels like a universal tragedy. Third stanza, the most important part here, the poet tells us who the dead person was for him. He was my north, my south, my east and west. This means what direction in life, his day and night, his work and rest, his speech and his music. Then comes the most heartbreaking line. I thought that love would last forever. I was wrong. This shows the reality of life. Even the strongest love cannot stop death. Final stanza. The world has ended now, the poet says. Put out the stars, pack up the moon, dismantle the sun, pour away the ocean. Things are impossible things. But they show his feeling that the world has lost its beauty. Nothing is meaningful anymore. Main theme, the poem tells us. When a person who is your whole world dies, your life feels empty, dark, and directionless. Ending lines. So, Stop All the Clocks is not just a poem about death. It is a poem about the power of love, the pain of separation, and the feeling that time should stop when love ends. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English literature lectures. Allah Hafiz.